Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Reasonings with Gina. Big up to all my lovely viewers, subscribers, supporters, families, enough love, enough respect, manners, and appreciation. And to all the new subscribers, special welcome to you all. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the vibe. And just a reminder, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell so that you will be notified when a new video is uploaded. And most importantly, remember to watch the ads, as the ads is what helps us to earn a revenue. Alrighty. Big up on yourself, bless up on yourself. Oh, and I know sometimes the ads them very lengthy. Sometimes them come in a movie form and all of that. I'm gonna expect on to sit and watch what all our live, what all 30 minutes live, 40 minutes live are. So if I don't can watch at 2 minutes out of it, I appreciate that. If I don't can spare at 2 minutes, I would really appreciate it. All right, I'm not sitting and watch no lengthy nothing because me not do it either. Not even if me I watch my own channel. Well, like me, some will left it on the TV or the tablet or the phone or something and go do something and make it run up, but me not sitting and watch it. So again, if you can spare a 2 minute, grateful. Yes, my love, we are going to get another video now. Wait, my loves, before we go down another video. But say, my loves, I go back up past something not too long. With Uncle Curly. Uncle Curly, you're wicked and you lie. And then you see a people are counting the things. My love, I have something for show down in the ending part of the video. When the video almost done, me I go put it right there. So, but me I go put up something over the ash show no, with Uncle Curly or Uncle Curly wicked and lie. My loves, me day I go me marry we, you know, my love. Me day today I go me marry we. I'm not too fishy round Uncle Yard like that, you know, my love. Me not too fishy round Uncle Yard. But since the whole gala, the big gala will take place, the gala where they talk at the media take place, you know me a fishy round, because me a listen where Uncle say. Because Uncle say me hurt. Uncle, you hurt. Uncle, you hurt. Uncle, you hurt. Because all I know, you can't tap cuss. Uncle, you cuss for a Sunday right back till now. And Sunday I come back and catch you a cuss. Uncle, you hurt. Uncle, you're battered. Uncle, you feel away. Uncle, you feel away. So, me over there, me dear children, well, today I listen live. Yeah, man, I listen out the whole of Uncle live till me reach at the last part. I want live, me dear child. I never know say Uncle out here saw me. Me loves, I never know say my good, great grand uncle out here saw me. Uncle rub me out, my love. Rub me out like how them boy rub up weed and grab in there and miggle. Me say my loves, uncle never make fun with my backside over there. I don't know, me alone, he rub me. He rub Speed me mind. He rub the latest. He rub Adassa. He rub Dana. Me love. Uncle rub with to frazzle. Uncle rub we out to powder, me loves. Well, uncle, me sorry for disappoint you, know, uncle. Uncle, me sorry for disappoint you. Because you want me to come out here now for come cuss your back, uncle. For come cuss your back. And then you come back and cuss me back. And then me come back and cuss your back. And then you come back and cuss me back. And as some me and you go back and forth. And me I give you content, you give me content. Uncle, me can't bother with them something there, uncle. Me easy if you tired. Uncle, me easy if you tired. And uncle, you have heart problem. You have to tap there up and down, back and forth, something there, uncle. Uncle, your heart will overwork itself, uncle. Your heart will overwork itself, uncle, and then get enlarged and bust by you. So, uncle, at first stage, you're not supposed to up and down, I try to keep up with back and forth. Me not unite with you, uncle. Me not unite with you. You're on your own with the uncle. So, you go come here, come give me 40 day and 40 night, and me not look by you, uncle. Me not look by you. I love my art. I love my art, uncle. But you cuss me there, uncle, where you cuss me for? Uncle, me come out here and talk the truth, you know. Uncle, me come out here and talk the truth, Uncle Curly. I'm a not take back not what me say. Me mean everything when I say Uncle Curly. So, Uncle Curly, you go cuss. You go cuss, because I not take it back. You is one ungrateful little old man. You, uncle, one ungrateful little old man. Imagine me risk my life and come to your party. Me come at your gala, uncle, I support you. Uncle, I watch out the whole of the party. Uncle, I couldn't wait for you come. Uncle, you see when me see touch 8 o'clock? For through the day before me hear you cuss, I say, you know, come no life. Me not come no life cause you ain't dirty people them nothing. Me I say that like seriously. Then uncle really I go keep a gala. I no come live. If me say not that no say me I go sit down. Uncle, you know how long me wash out and wait pan the gala? Uncle, you know how long me take wash out and wait pan the gala? Uncle, me need tax, you know what? And when me sit down and hear you a cuss you now come here cause show no life. Me did hurt. Me did hurt you hurt my feelings, uncle. I was so disappointed, uncle. When me look as the 8 o'clock come and the gala no start, me say, Uncle, then you're really serious? Uncle, you're really, really serious, so you're not showing nothing? And then me look, me see you put up something, say, you're coming 9 o'clock. I say, glory be to God. I say, glory be to God in the highest. Uncle, come in. Uncle, I feel good, yeah? I feel so good. Uncle, not even when my man gone a foreign and come back, left me not glad to see him. So, like how me glad to see you come out, come show with the party, Uncle. Uncle, I feel so good. I feel so good in myself, But like I tell you, Uncle, me not in a cussing mood with you. Me not in a cussing mood right about now, Uncle. So you got cuss me, and you got class me, and you got tell me about me underneath, and you got tell me who a jump me, and you got tell me who head a good, and which part me I put for me head. Uncle, you're upon your one with that, you know. Uncle, you're upon your one. I know me, you know, Uncle. Uncle Curly is not me, are you? You're upon your one with that one there, Uncle. Uncle is lent. Is lent. I mean, I cuss nobody in a lent, Uncle. Imagine me come out here cuss you and a dog you out and a sal you out now, Uncle. And Mr. God decides him a put in appearance in a lent season, yeah. Because based on how many things and times around, Mr. God can just pop on pan we and dash a surprise pan we, you know. And when you look China Agnes not get forgot through the pearly gates, you understand? So you're not draw me out here, you know, Uncle. You're not draw me out here in the Lenten season, yeah. Oh, me not in the mood, I'm from more, Uncle. When me looking at the mirror sometime, I may see how me cute. When me see how me cute, Uncle. I may look on the little shiny eye there, man. I may say, girl nice, see? Look how girl nice. But cussing no fit me. Cussing no fit me, Uncle. Uncle, me realize that cussing don't fit me. And me go take up myself now, Uncle, come out here, say me a cuss you out back little moment start look like you. You must have mad. Uncle, you must have mad. Uncle? If I come out here cause me start cuss back with you, Uncle, me now cuss you again, Uncle. Because at the end of the day, if me come out here come decide say me a cuss with you and then for your crosses, then start tumble down for me, Uncle, and me start favor you. You know me I go do? Me I go buy a pound of rope. Me I go buy a pound of rope. And me I go somewhere high, Uncle. And if me do there something there, Uncle, God now go have no Latin part with me, so me now do it. Me now come out here come cuss you so till me start look like you must have mad. Me I use you as example. You say, well, I no look. Uncle go look in the mirror and see if me I tell no lie. Me no want look so boy. I don't want look so. For you and the rest of them. We come out here pan a daily come cuss we out, Uncle. You no start favor, you no start look alike. Me can't even tell you the different. Everybody look like twin and triplet. Everybody can drop off of them eyelid. Everybody start have fortune under your so. The whole on when you walk on no two jaw then drop down and down no chin a clap like convention. And you know want to look so no more so mad. It not go happen, Uncle. It not go happen. Me sorry. So cuss me all you want, Uncle. Cuss me all you want. And class me all you want, Uncle. Me not feel no way cause at this point in time I that I keep you. The only thing I keep you right now. And the only thing you know how to do, Uncle. Cuss and class and style up people. That's the only thing you can do. That's the only thing you know how to do, Uncle. You couldn't even pull off 1-2 dozen crowd at your party. So cussing and styling and classing people, Uncle, is what you do best. That are your talent, Uncle. And for you, that are therapy, Uncle. And once you tap, you might just kick your bucket. So go and cuss, Uncle, go and cuss. No, stop on my behalf. Cuss out my backside all you want, because me that cuss me too. Because sometimes I go back and listen to my video, then I say, boy, chin your annoying bad. Me not wrong them for cuss out your backside. Yeah, I would have cuss me to, Uncle. Can't bother with the cussing, Uncle. Me can't bother with the cussing not fit me, so me left it to you. You hear? Me I left that to you, Uncle. Because you are my great grand uncle. You did want me come out here and tell us say you look good, Uncle. No, Uncle, me no bias. Not because we are family, Uncle. If you don't look good, me I got tell us say you don't look good. Uncle, me tell you say, all me say to you, Uncle. Uncle, me say your frack they look good for you, not for me, because I now wear them there. Me say your sinting they look good, Uncle. But I know for your body shape them there. Uncle, me say them there's something they don't match for your body. And that me say, you know, Uncle, I said them there's something they do match your body, Uncle. Because when you buy them, you probably feel like I said they sell this shape with you. No, Uncle, you have to already have the shape. You understand me, Uncle? And when you put them on now, your shape would have carved them out. Uncle, you don't have that. Uncle, you don't have that. Bad to bad, Uncle, if you didn't even come to me. If you didn't even come to me, Uncle, and ask me where you can buy if we go to the party, I would have tell you the right thing, Uncle. All I would have tell you, say, Uncle, buy a piece of pants length. Buy a piece of pants length and make one choices. And 2 braces, you understand me, uncle? And 2 braces, you understand me, uncle? If you put in at the waist, yes, so and dry across your back, make a X and dry come round your front and tuck it at the front part of the waist, uncle. Or you get one crimpling suit. Maybe one bush jacket or something. I would have tell you the right thing if you get, uncle. You never fit in a them there's something there. Maybe mother go as far as to buy you the piece of pants length you can't get tailor go make them sew you. Maybe mother buy you the pants length and the bush jacket, you know what, uncle? Take off some of the expense off and you maybe mother do that. And then there's something that you fear dress up in a uncle. Not no seed bag printer. Fear quiz up your little balls root them. All you wicked to yourself, you know, uncle, because when you take off them, they gurgle they and that the seed bag printer outfit there. Feel like a seed bag, they must ball. They must squeal out how they glad feel like a freedom and a little breeze. And me talk, now you come out here go cuss me and tell me about me porky. And you know me porky don't stay like that. That because when you look down the path for your uncle, oh you can't see for you. Not because when you take the mirror and look down the path for your uncle, well for you crush up and trample out, you feel like everybody won't stay same way. Mine don't stay like that, uncle man. Mine don't stay so. Mine cute uncle. Uncle don't say them something there, uncle. My porky cute. You're too old other man. For a big old crusty old man. For a big old crusty old man at your age, uncle. You're too old other. Me understand say as a man when you reach up in a certain age and start piss up on no seed bag, on no face, on no rank, on no manners. How you expect me if you come out here and tell us that you look good, uncle, when you favor Johnny Bravo? Eh? You make the black outfit for your pin under pan you. Our monkey suit. And you want me to tell us that you look good? Uncle, me can't tell lie, you know. Me can't tell lie. I mean, I tell no lie for your uncle. Sure. And them something you can't take with you now when your uncle Curly. Them something you can't take with you now. And them things you make me and you can't get along, uncle. No care how me try to get along with you as a grandniece. No care how me try to get along with you as a grandniece, you come with something to make her rude to you. And because of lens season, I no want rude to you, no uncle. Me not in a cussing mood, uncle. And me see what cussing do to people, because me see how no look and me don't want to look so. Me don't want my age around me down. Me don't want my age in no competition with me, uncle. And you know when you hurt my feelings, me come cuss you. Uncle, don't hurt my feelings, man. You hurt my feelings. You hurt my feelings, uncle. Sure. And I mean to see if you have a bang belly giraffe, you know. I know me call you so. But you are come out and rub me. Uncle, you're lucky you rub me all you want. Rub me all you want, uncle. You damn lucky. Me not tap chat you. That's all me I got to tell uncle. Me not tap chat you. Uncle, look for me mouth. Me chin girl not tap chat you, uncle. And then you go tell we know about this ship to come back for we. This ship to come back for we and care we go fling back in a slavery. You see that blasted old man you know no manners. You don't see that blasted dry out seed bag old man you know no manners do. Uncle, if anybody if you go back on the ship is you. If anybody if you go back on the ship down in a slavery, uncle, is you. You look more manly and sturdy. You can't handle slavery, me delicate. Uncle, you know no behavior man, but if you take away. Sure. Sure, me not even want to laugh, you know. But if you take away. But honestly, me I listen to Uncle video and me I dead with laugh, you know. But in a bathroom and me I listen to Uncle video, me love me in a bathroom I dead with laugh. Uncle said if you take away and care, we go drop back down in a hole. Uncle? Not because you so elephant can't drop back down in a hole. If then drop you in there, you go stuck in there. You go full up in there. You wanna go full up the hole, you want them fling back in there. Uncle, you're out of that, man. You're out of that, uncle, you're out of that. You have to have some behavior. Because me not understand, you say you not feel no way. You not feel no way. The fact that we are laughing for you and we are chat you don't care, you don't feel no way. And you come out here about, uncle, you feel a way. That's the reason why you come here and dust we out so. We are bad at your uncle, we are at up your card, uncle. Uncle, you're shame. Uncle, you're shame. All who I tell you otherwise about you up, uncle, them is a bunch of hypocrites. Uncle, you are a shame. Uncle, you flap. Uncle, you get the biggest flap for 2025. And as much as the year just start, uncle, you get the biggest flap for 2025. Nobody can beat that. Nobody can contest that. You win right there, sir, uncle. You win right there, sir. And the trophy for the biggest flop for 2025 goes to none other than Mr. Uncle Marcia Campbell. On the clap. yourself on your shoulder, uncle. Pat yourself on your shoulder. Nobody can beat that, uncle. You win something. You're good at something, uncle. You're good at something. Then, uncle, that's why you talk, boy, you come back August with all white. Uncle, me, I did it for me, yai. Uncle, me, I did it for me, yai. That now miss me. You come back, come prove to me, uncle. Me no wrong you. Just know I'm down there right for me eyelash, uncle. I know me have one white cinti put on somewhere. Uncle, me a come in a all white from head to toe like me I go play cricket. All white, uncle, like me I go play a test match. I come in, uncle. Uncle, you know, me I go always support you, uncle. Me I go always, I want you cuss me class, me and dog me up, me I go always support you, uncle. Me, Agnes and Rufus, we shall be coming. We shall be coming to the all white party. You are right, you know, uncle. You can't turn the grumpy up yourself and continue to look like a when they salt man bullfrog. You're quite all right. You not put on a wrinkle for me, uncle, or a stress for me in my youthful days, yeah. After you not cuss me and tell me nothing new. Me used to all of them the same thing the way I got tell me, uncle. Me used to them. Them have no effect on me whatsoever. Cause all you been a do from the party keep, all you been a do I come out here tell be like, and I try to justify why your party flop. That's all you do, uncle. And you not make no sense. No sense whatsoever. The fact remain, your people them don't support you. It not so bad with them that the whole of them no have no paper. I saw it turn bad with them. Then the whole of them up a foreigner catch. You better not come back and yard comply your man potato if nobody hide from Trump. Because if uno claim say uno they a big foreign, and uno up there uno no free figure which part uno want go. Because uno no have no paper, then uno they a work house. A work house uno there no? A work house uno there. Uno have that bandage. My God. Uno come a yard. We welcome uno back here. Out here nice. Out here is nice. And uno we have uno freedom. If you don't have no money, Kalalu de pan farm, cabbage de pan farm, Aki de pan farm, yam, banana, plant, breadfruit, all kind of sinting de pan farm. Uno neighbor no tan somebody if you no go to uno neighbor say be go no 2-finger banana then you know. Uno na DEAD for hungry, uno come back a yard nice. Yard nice. Nobody can dip uno from no yard. Why sense you no go up there and don't have no paper and up there? Have you confined to one little space? Stress and old age I go take on one depression I go take on. For uno can't walk, uno can't do nothing. Then it make sense? It don't make no sense. Uncle, all of them the same thing the way you say in that video. I'm not even going to address the rest of them. I'm not even going to talk about the rest of them, uncle, because all you do, I repeat, like you scratch CDs. Come in a contract you today, no, uncle. I'm in a contract you today. God no. Kiss the cross. God believe me. I'm in a contract you today, Uncle Curly. But I want me a pass over there and me hear you call me name. Me I say, know me that. I know me that Uncle Curly a chat. I saw me come out here, uncle. And you know what, uncle? Me that you know, and my mind said to me, come me, I remember say one time, me see you cock up over here in a glasses, you know, uncle. Well, subscribe to my channel. And my mind said, go back, go look, go see if you all fat still over here. And uncle, I go in my YouTube studio. Uncle, I go in my YouTube studio, and lo and behold, are you that well cock up over here, I play I Spy. Where you still do over here, uncle? Me never run you from? No, me never run you. Me never run you. But they check your uncle until I say, anyhow you ever unsubscribe, me I go dash water by you. But me I run you now, uncle. Me I run you. You know why me I run you, uncle? Because he said, the other day when me come at your party and me type up in your comment section, your people they fling me out and then block me. So me I run your uncle, take up your nasty caca hole from off of my channel. Uncle unsubscribe no. Uncle unsubscribe no. Make sure when me go back over there, I don't see you, uncle. If I see you, I go and boil up some water. Yes, I go and duck you in your caca hole with it and turn you in a Caucasian being as you want white. White man you want be, white man you shall be. Uncle, me I want you know, uncle come over here. Come over me yard, uncle, and unsubscribe from my channel. Uncle, me no want you on me yard. Uncle, I don't want you here. And I go call the popo and make them take you out by force. Uncle Curly, me no want you on me yard. Every day you get up and talk about people. People are care things come tell you. People are care things come put in your WhatsApp. When you know from heaven to earth, uncle, so you cock up over here watch me. Uncle, where you watch me for? Uncle, me no family ram. I don't want you. Uncle, me no family ram. Where you cock up over here and watch me for, uncle? Uncle, me I go get some scandal bag, I go and get some ladder bag or some market bag and crocus bag, and me a pack your little belongings them, and me a fling out your cacao from over me. I don't come back over here, uncle, and subscribe. Uncle, me no want your subscription. Uncle, me don't want your subscription. Uncle, you old me down over here. Me feel like I said me could have reached at 20K already, you know, uncle, and I you cause it. Uncle, you old me down. Uncle, you hold me down. Uncle, lift up. Lift up, uncle, me don't want you here. I do want you here, uncle, lift up. Go on, brother. Go on. You're not welcome. You're not welcome. Uncle, don't make me pit and it dry. Uncle, don't make me pit and it dry, uncle. And me go back over there, go people and see your cock up over there. You understand me, uncle? From 2023, uncle, from 2023. I so long you there, me yard, uncle. And I never remember say you over here, no, uncle. And my mind tell me to them. My mind tell me. And me say, mind, you sure? And my mind say, yes. Me say, make a go look. Make a go look. Lower and behold. Lower and behold, you well cock up over. Uncle Guan, yeah. Uncle Guan. Uncle, get up. Uncle, take up your belongings. Them and leave me yard. Leave me yard, uncle. Anyways, my love. Thank you for tuning in. Me then no cussing with curly, so all would sit down and wait for me for cuss me. Sorry, cussing no fit me. Cussing don't fit me. Me look on curly and the whole of them and me see what cussing do to them. Me don't want want to reach me. I don't want them something they reach me. You understand me? Anyways, thank you for tuning in. Big up on a nice, clean, good self. And me see you in another video. Alright, I don't remember we not do the do. If you not reach us, I don't know do the do yet. On turn back. Take on the back side, turn back and go do the do. And me draw a female pan on back side over here. You understand me? Go on back, go do the do. Yes, my dear children. So, big up on yourself, bless up on yourself. I miss you again here. All right, later. Bye bye. I'm gonna share that peace for everybody.